Hey guys, so I'm back. I hope you all had a wonderful Christmas. I definitely did. Um, I have decided that I'm going to do a new makeup series here on YouTube dedicated to MAC Cosmetics. MAC Cosmetics is what got me to fall in love with makeup about 15 years ago when I started my channel. I was completely enamored with MAC. And over the last few years, I haven't really bought a lot of MAC. And this past year, I bought the new Glow Play blush, and I chose that as my favorite blush that I bought all year long. And I bought a few other things too, but I haven't really been buying as much MAC nearly as what I used to. And I remembered how much I used to love it and how much fun I used to have with the products. And so I want to do a series starting with hopefully my next video. And so I would like some input from you guys. Now, I have not tried the new lipstick formula yet, so I want to do that. And one of the gifts that I got from my husband for Christmas was he gave me an Ulta gift card. So I'm going to go to Ulta maybe today. I don't know, the weather is pretty bad out there right now, but I'm planning on going to Ulta today and using my gift card and picking up a couple of the new Maximal lipsticks. So yeah, they've reformulated some of their lipsticks, and I want to try the new formula. I've heard really good things about it, so I want to get that. And then I went to a CCO yesterday and bought a bunch of eyeshadows. And so what I'm thinking is that I want to do some dedicated looks using MAC eyeshadows. And what I would like you to do is in the comments section, if there is an eyeshadow by MAC that you would like me to build a look around that, or like let's say there's an eyeshadow and you're not really sure what to put with that eyeshadow. If I have it, um, I will do that if it's something that I think I can do. And the reason why I say that is I've bought a lot of makeup lately, so now I'm kind of limited to how much more I can get. So I can't really go out and buy one that I don't have. But if it's something that I have, which there's a pretty good chance now that there is, because I did buy quite a few over like the Christmas holiday season. I actually went to two different CCOs and bought eyeshadows. So if I have the eyeshadow that you're interested in me doing a look with, then I will do that. So I'll do like the eye look on camera, and then I'll talk about what I used for a lip product and a cheap product to pull the whole thing together. So yeah, I think that will be a lot of fun. And I'm going to do it here on YouTube because um, I've been on TikTok since I left YouTube. And thank you to all of you who followed me over there. Um, but these kind of videos that I'm planning on doing for this series are more time consuming and more fitting to YouTube because over on TikTok, the videos have to be 10 minutes or less. And sometimes with tutorials, it just takes longer if you want to, show everything you want to show and talk about the information that you want to talk about. So I think this series will be more suited to YouTube. I don't know what's going to happen with TikTok, but since I left YouTube, I've been over there making videos, trying to build my audience over there. And I got a couple hundred more followers over there, but it didn't, it's a lot harder to get followers when people don't know who you are. Over here on YouTube, I have 7,000 plus followers. So because when people see that number when they come to your channel, they're like, oh, wow, she has 7,000 followers. So that's a respectable number. So maybe I should subscribe to her. But over on TikTok, where I only had, a very small audience, I wasn't gaining the followers as quickly as I would like to have. But I don't even know what's going to happen with TikTok. So what I would like to do in the future is, if TikTok is going to somehow be saved, because you know the story behind that, I want to bounce back and forth between the two platforms, because now I have followers on both platforms. So I would like to try to keep both those channels active if I can. And also, if you ever want to know what's going on with me, follow me on Instagram, because I try to post over there almost every day about like what's happening with my social media, and it will give you an idea of what's going on. So that's uh, that's what this is going to be. So if you want to see a dedicated video to a specific MAC eyeshadow, just put the name of the eyeshadow in the comment section, and I will try to do that if I can. Bye, guys.